We are pleased to show you the 2021 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lamps, rear-wheel drive, convertible top, Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, cruise control, cup holders, air conditioning, floor mats. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.